Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguide.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, two indoor gardening kit brands will be going head to head. We have the Click and Grow Indoor Gardening Kit and the SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit. The popularity of indoor gardening has grown significantly over the past few years. This could be for a variety of reasons, one being the pandemic and perhaps because people just want to live a more sustainable lifestyle. Whatever the motivation is, however, indoor gardening kits help you nurture and grow plants no matter the season. In today's video, we'll be pitting two high-end indoor gardening kits, the Click and Grow Indoor Gardening Kit and the SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit, against each other in a battle of epic proportions. Both of these indoor gardening kits have earned 5 badges from our team at trustedshopguide.com, attesting to their quality, durability, and performance. However, there's only one room for a winner, so sit back, relax, and watch as we battle it out in today's brand wars. If you're interested in the other indoor gardening kits that we reviewed, do check out our indoor gardening kit review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these indoor gardening kits will be going toe-to-toe with would be their size and portability. When choosing an indoor gardening kit, the size and of course portability are two extremely significant elements to consider. Indoor gardening kits come in a range of sizes and shapes, making them great gardening options for tight spaces in apartments. In most cases, an indoor gardening kit that's small and portable should suffice. No matter where it's placed, it'll not take up space and can be used for decorations. The Click and Grow Indoor Gardening Kit is quite compact, coming in at 3.78 pounds with overall dimensions of 12.52 by 9.06 by 5.28 inches. Its design is quite minimalistic and cute. Without a doubt, it would make for a great decorative piece in your home. On the flip side, the SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit comes in a much heftier package. When it comes to the interior design of a space, this is a kit that has to be taken into consideration since it has overall measurements of 19 by 14 by 8 inches and a weight of 6.54 pounds. Due to its roomier design, it can accommodate more plants and herbs. With portability being the main focus for this category, we will award the Click and Grow Indoor Gardening Kit as the definitive winner. Its lightweight, chic design is a thing of beauty, and so it earns the first point. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their watering design. The kit's watering design is another important factor to consider when choosing an indoor gardening kit. Although most kits have a design that efficiently absorbs water, some kits have water reservoirs that feature a self-watering function. This provides you with peace of mind so you never have to remember to water your flower or herbs. The Click and Grow Indoor Gardening Kit is quite impressive in terms of its watering design. There are wicks at the bottom of the cups that draw water from the tank to the smart soil, which then effectively waters the plants. This pretty much means that the kit is self-watering, making it a great gardening kit for the new hobbyists. On the other hand, the SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit is quite impressive as well. It also features a self-watering system that we believe to be more reliable over the long run. If you ever feel like you want a gardening kit that's low maintenance and beginner friendly, then this is it. Without a doubt, the SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit blows the competition out of the water in this category. Having said that, it earns 1 point to tie up the battle at 1 apiece. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their timer. Although a timer isn't required, it's definitely a welcome feature to have in an indoor gardening kit. Plus, it'll make your life easier. For healthy development, plants need sleep, meaning the dark just like we do. For this reason, using a timer to automatically turn your grow lights on and off will save you the trouble of remembering to do it. The Click and Grow Indoor Gardening Kit features a built-in timer that is 16 hours on and 8 hours off. This basically allows you to start the cycle anew every time you plug the lamp in. Additionally, you can water according to the water float indicator as it gets lower. As for the SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit, however, it comes with 3 timer modes for different growth stages. First is the 8-hour on and 16-hour off light cycle. Then there's one where the light will turn on for 8 hours and then last for 16 hours. For providing you with a lot more flexibility in terms of setting different timer modes for different growth stages, we are awarding the SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit as the winner of this category. With that said, it earns 1 point as it leads the battle at 2-1. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their LED grow lights. Offering low energy usage, low heat, and color optimized for growth, LED lights are the most efficient, effective, and beginner-friendly way to grow plants at home than fluorescent lights or incandescent lights. It is for this reason that we highly suggest examining the quality of LED grow lights your indoor gardening kit comes with. While some kits might not have these, it's important to note that some setups might require grow lights as a necessity. The Click and Grow Indoor Gardening Kit comes with a superb set of energy-efficient LED grow lights that ensure your plants thrive no matter the weather. Although it only comes with white lights, you can opt for multicolored lights with the Click and Grow Smart Garden 9. On the other hand, however, the SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit is nothing to scoff at either. The Hydroponic Gardening Kit features 24 watts of LED grow lights that simulate the sunlight spectrum, promoting plant photosynthesis in any weather for faster growth. Although both gardening kits offer great sets of LED grow lights, we would have to pick the Click and Grow Indoor Gardening Kit as the winner of this category. Having such reliable grow lights in spite of their compact size is a big plus in our book, and so it ties the battle up at 2 apiece. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their unique features. One last thing to take note of when choosing an indoor gardening kit is their offering of additional unique features. These make them unique and stand out from the crowd, and a keen eye for this will be highly rewarded. With that said, we highly suggest looking through each additional feature an indoor gardening kit offers in order to make the most informed purchasing decision possible. Without further ado, we'll be evaluating each trolling motor's unique features and deciding which is the better unit. The Click and Grow Indoor Gardening Kit allows you to color coordinate to fit your style. Available in white, beige, and gray, this gardening kit will be a great fit for any home, classroom, or office space you put it in. Additionally, it features a fully automated indoor growing system, so whether you're cooking, relaxing, working, or sleeping, it has water, lighting, and nutrients that are all taken care of. In SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit, on the other hand, features a front control panel so you can easily adjust the brightness and timer and turn it on or off. It also features a water indicator that'll turn on if the water level drops below the minimum level. Aside from this, the gardening kit is also height adjustable, with the height of the lighting part capable of being easily raised or lowered to accommodate different growth stages. As much as we love the color selection that Click and Grow had to offer, we will have to give this category to the SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit. Its unique features are so much more useful and will definitely provide you with more flexibility over the long run. Having said that, it earns the final point and finally wins the battle. Finally, we have arrived at the end of this battle between the Click and Grow Indoor Gardening Kit and the SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit. Even though it was a very tough fight, the SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit beat the Click and Grow Indoor Gardening Kit by a narrow margin of 1 point. As much as we would like to keep going on about the wonderful features these indoor gardening kits offer, there can only be one victor today, and the SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit has already claimed its throne as it waits for yet one more battle with another formidable opponent. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Click and Grow Indoor Gardening Kit and the SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit has finally ended. If you have any contenders for a next indoor gardening kit face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.